Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing another VR accessory review for your MetaQuest 2 headset. We're going to be looking at these VR prescription lens inserts by HonsVR. They start at $70 on their website. You can find them on sale right now. They're actually $50. I can't guarantee that'll be the price when you watch this and check out their website. But that is a little bit cheaper than some of the other VR lens inserts. In this one, I will unbox it, show you what you get, show you how to install it, and then I will give you my review of them in the end. If you haven't checked out all of my other reviews, I will link the playlist below where you can see all of my VR accessory reviews. But let's jump into this one. Alright, here's the little box that came in the mail. Slides off nicely. So we got some microfiber cleaning cloths for the VR lenses, and then the case and the lenses themselves. Let's open this up. VR lens adapter. VR lens adapter. Nice hard shell case. Looks nice. There's the right lens. And there's our left lens. So there's what's inside the box. Some cleaning cloths, the case, and our lenses. Alright, so let's talk about how to install these. So first, if you haven't already noticed, these lenses here, they do come apart. There is your kind of insert there that you're going to put over top of the eyepiece on your headset, and then this is your actual lens that magnetically connects to that piece there. So if you want to just take this instead of the whole thing to install into your headset, I would recommend doing that first, then you're not messing around with the lens as well. So this piece, you can see underneath there are little tiny indents that kind of fit in around where there are on the VR lens as well. So I'm going to start at the back and then just push my way down towards the front, and you'll hear it snap in just like you did there, and you can test it. It's not going anywhere. So I'll do the same with the other one here. So I'm starting with the back, working my way to the front, just a firm push, and it snapped right into place. The first time might be a little bit harder than other times, and then you can just take your lens and it'll fit right into its spot there. And if you're unsure exactly which lens is which, on the little top tabs, the middle tabs, it shows an R and an L. And then if you ever are playing with somebody who doesn't need them, then you can just pop them off, and you can leave these inserts in because they're not covering the lens at all. And then when it's your turn, or if you're playing it again, then you can plop them back on and you are good to go. So that's how you install the HonsVR lenses. I'm going to use them a little bit here, and then I will give you my review of them in the end. So I've had a chance to use these for the last couple of weeks, and here's my review. I think these are great lenses. They fit great. I like how the magnetic piece goes around the Quest 2 lens so that your prescription lens sits right on top. Some other prescription inserts that I've used, everything sits on top, so it's kind of stacking a little bit, and it creates quite a bit of space leading towards your eye. But this one fits really nice. I really like how sturdy it is on there. There's a nice little case that comes with it. Small, portable, it's not bulky or anything, and it protects the lenses that are underneath as well. In terms of cons, some other lenses come with more accessories. If we're talking about price point here, this one starts at $70. When I first started making this video, it was on sale for $50, so we do know it goes on sale. But if you want to add a blue light filter, that's an extra $10. Add lens covers, that's an extra $6. Engravings is an extra $2. Some other ones, those accessories just come with that, but then they are starting more around the $100 mark instead of this $70 or possibly $50 mark. So I think that's a little bit of a trade-off there. If you don't really care about some of those accessories, then this is a great option that will cost you a little bit less. Again, I would recommend these. I really like how they've been for me. I will link below where you can find them on their website, and I will also link below the playlist with all of my other Quest 2 accessory review videos, so you can check those ones out as well. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.